Part 1 in finding a four-leaf clover. Documentary number 1. Oh shit! Did you find one? Did you? What? Hey! What you want, good?
I found one.
No. What the fuck?
Clover.
Fucking mutated rat.
What the fuck is that?
It's a mutated clover.
There's some incest going on here.
What the fuck? What the fuck? That's a 6-leaf clover.
I found a fucking 6-leaf clover.
Oh
That's
yeah.
not even, that's weed.
Brayden,
Married your mom.
smile. Crackhead.
I know.
Right, if you just add this one to that one, it's a pretty clover.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna find out.
3 leaves. Is that
I'm
good
gonna
enough?
be sunburned.
We're gonna find out if there's any.
It'd be alright. I don't
Any
get sunburn.
bugs?
It's turned really dark.
Stop, faggot.
Take it.
I found a 4-leaf clover. No, you're joking.
Shut up, faggot. I'm trying to concentrate.
Oh, he found one.
Sir.
He found one.
No, he didn't. He's holding it all together. No, I'm not.
Put it down.
1, 2, 3.
Hey,
That's
Julie.
nice.
It fell off.
You get it?
4-leaf clover fell off.
Guys, I don't see anything.
We're in the bad patches.
I know, right?
Yep, shit. Well, let's get on our way then. Bro, leave us alone. We're trying to find the mystical 4-leaf clover. We're trying.
Hey, bro. Chill.
Because coach kicked us out. We got nothing to do. Everyone's too lazy as shit to do tag. So we're just
Why did you kick you off?
for being niggers.
Whoa, that's black people around here. You need to calm.
I'm
It's the
black.
same thing I said. He said I don't give a fuck about them niggas.
Dude, I'm finding that 4-leaf.